Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Zach here with Unreal Adventures. I am back with another segment of urban fishing. Now, believe it or not, I am right in the heart of Wichita right now, Wichita, Kansas. Okay, I got this little gem of a pond here. It does, it stretches further back there to the south, but I'm just fishing a small portion, a little inlet of it right now. I'm gonna see if I can't catch a couple largemouth for you. So, I don't know, let's get to fishing. Again, guys, just in the heart of Wichita. There's good fishing to be had all over. No matter where you're at, where you're from, there is going to be a pond like this in your area where you can find fish. So don't be hesitant, get out there, check Google Maps, find yourself a pond and get to fishing, guys. All right, guys, just made it down to my other spot. Check it out, got a nice little rocky bank here, got some structure, an old wooden bridge, pillars over there. Nice little channel that connects two of these pretty nice sized ponds. And like I said, guys, this is right in the heart of Wichita. So let's give her a shot, see what we can do here. I'm seeing some bait jumping in the water. That's oh, had a nice little whack there. Don't know what that was, but let's go for a second one here. Come on, buddy, come back for it. They're tapping it. Come on, take it. Whatever's in there, guys, it's I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's too small to take. Like I said, there are some good white bass in here, so who knows what it is. I might have to switch to a little smaller lure here if I can't get these guys to grab onto her here. These fish have got me a little curious, guys. I want to see what's nabbing at my lure here, so I'm gonna go ahead and get a little smaller bait on. Ouch, just hooked myself. Always put your trash in your pockets, guys. Take it home with you, throw it away. Don't leave it out on the banks. Nothing I hate worse than showing up and having to clean up other people's trash. But if you do see trash, guys, make sure that you pick it up. Even if it's not yours, always leave with something a little more than what you came with. Help keep our, you know, our ponds, lakes, and rivers clean. All right. Now, I can let my curiosity get the best of me here. Let's see what was whacking our swim bait. What do we got here? There we go. See, guys, told you there's a population of white bass in here. They might actually be white perch or even wiper. I know there's white bass in here for sure. Oh, there it goes. Get out of here. But I think they actually do stock it with wiper as well. And I'm sure there is a population of white perch in here too, unfortunately. But these look like white perch to me, guys. I know sometimes young white, you know, from my previous videos I've showed you guys, white perch are just no good for anyone. In a pond like this, they would just decimate entire populations of bait fish. See how many of them there are, guys? And they're all just inky dinky. Ouch. Itty bitty. Look at that. Look at that guy. Maybe after I thread through some of these small ones, I'll have a chance at getting onto a couple bigger ones. There are some nice ones in here. Oh, well, that one took it as soon as it hit the water. All right, let's get it back out there. Let's do it again. Who's up for round two? You can hear that thunder ominously cracking there in the background. Still quite a ways off. It looks like it's more to the north of me than anything. I'm not overly worried about it just yet. More interested in catching some fish. Look at that. Actually, guys, these are definitely white perch now that I'm looking at them. You can see they don't really have any black lines. I thought they did, but it was just kind of the lighting. They're all white. A white bass will have broken black lines there. So really, I should honestly just be throwing these up on the bank and killing them off. I mean, they're a major drain, like I said, on bait fish. They destroy the bait fish, which in turn makes the other fish basically not be able to eat. I mean, they just won't have any bait to eat because these little guys just destroy everything. Look at this beautiful area, guys. You got all kinds of nice pilings here. Whew. Carp scared me. You got some nice laid over trees there. Again, they can't get through to that next pond area because there's a high spot there. So anything in this lake or in this side of the pond is going to be stuck in this side of the pond. Something nice, guys. What do we got here? Look at that bass. Look at that fat boy. Heck yeah, guys. That's what I'm talking about. Check that out. That guy probably goes every bit of 2 pounds, probably closer to 3. He feels pretty hefty there. Let you guys get a little better look at him. Let me wash him off real quick. Look at that toad. Heck yeah. Look at that gut. All right, I'm gonna get a picture with him and then we're gonna set him off. Okay, here we go. All right, buddy. Oh, and he decided to soak me. Thank you. That is the thank you I get for setting him free. That's okay. Whoa, buddy, he took it right at the bank. It's another nice little largemouth, guys. I don't know why they're not digging that swim bait, but they are chowing down on this here Roadrunner that I got. You guys, if you watch my videos, you see me fish these Roadrunners a lot. You know, I hold them in high regard. They are the best multi-purpose lure you can have. Get a little look at him. Long and skinny. You need to eat, buddy. Let him go, let him grow. So yeah, you know how high of regard I hold these lures. They literally catch everything. I'll link some in the description for you guys. They are amazing. Man, I love it when they take it right up at the bank like that, guys. It's so much fun, you know? You're just getting reeled in. You're like, oh, you know, just doodling. You see your lure and you're like, yeah, I'm not going to catch a fish on this cast. And then bang, right at the bank, they come up and nab it. It's the best. Oh, another one of them little white bass. Grabbed them, or white perch, I mean. Oh yeah, guys. That guy put a thwacking on it. That's a giant crappie, guys. Check that out. Holy smokes. I wasn't kidding when I said there was some decent crappie in here. As soon as I can get them down here. Holy moly, guys. Let me wash them off for you. I'll get them off the hook. Wash them off here for you. Get you a little bit better view on this guy. Make sure I keep a good grip on him so I don't lose him here. Look at that toad, guys. That's a massive crappie. That's excellent. I'm gonna get a picture of him out of here. Get on, good buddy. You're a monster. Go on to fight another day. I was actually thinking that that was a big bass, guys. The way, you know, crappie are usually, I don't know, pretty lazy with their strikes. They don't like to chase fish. I mean, they will, but they generally just like to like hang out, wait for a fish to swim by. They're very picky. That guy, man, he just straight crushed that. Hey guys, thanks for sticking around. I really appreciate it. Now, unfortunately for you guys, my GoPro battery died, so I didn't get to catch the rest of the fish that I caught on camera. I did manage to catch a couple more really nice crappie and one more 2-ish pound bass and a couple channel cats. So, sorry guys. I'll make sure to bring a spare next time. If you liked the video, go ahead and subscribe. You can follow along at Unreal Adventures on Instagram. _real REEL _ adventures. And like always, guys, it's a good day to fish.